friends, welcome to Guangzhou SHINELONG Kitchen Equipment. My name is Bella. Today I'm very happy to introduce our high pressure fryers to you. SHINELONG high pressure fryer is made of stainless steel 304. Not only the body, but also the tank inside is made of full stainless steel 304. SHINELONG high pressure fryers, there are two different types of controller. For example, this one is a mechanical controller, and also we have the computer controller. For this type of controller, there is the precise temperature and time setting. The high pressure fryer normally will have the pressure gear, and in this gear, the user can note how is the situation inside the tank and when is the good time to open the lid. But sure, this unit will have the automatic pressure release function. So when the pressure is over high, also is when it's stop working, so it will release the pressure by itself. SHINELONG high pressures is with the sealing around the cover, so it can keep the pressure in the tank very tight. And also the tank, we have different models to choose. For example, 24 liters, 25 liters, and also 28 liters. So the chef can not choose the right tank for their cooking. And inside the tank, there is the oil remark. There is a minimum oil mark and also the maximum oil mark. For these two marks, can let the chef to note how much oil they can put inside the tank before they cooking. For this type of high pressure fryer, you can choose with the oil filter or without the oil filter. Two options, so you can choose the right one. In some kitchen, they use the gas. In some kitchen, they use the electricity. So choose the right one for your kitchen. Contact us for more details. So send us the information, send us the inquiry if you want. Contact us. See you next time. Bye-bye.